Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MongoDB with MongoDB Atlas, complete guide step by step clearly. To install MongoDB using MongoDB Atlas, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the MongoDB Atlas website at compass.mongodb.com. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Provide the necessary information to create your account. Once your account is created, log in to the MongoDB Atlas dashboard. Click on the Build a Cluster button. Select the cloud provider and region where you want your database to be hosted. Choose your cluster tier based on your storage and performance needs. Once you have selected your options, click on Create Cluster. This process may take a few minutes to complete. After your cluster is created, click on Database Access in the left sidebar. Here, add a new database user by clicking on the Add New Database User button. Enter a username and a strong password for the user. Set the user's database privileges according to your needs, then click Add User. Next, click on Network Access in the left side. Click on Add IP Address to whitelist your current IP address or allow access for all IPs. Confirm your changes by clicking Confirm. Now, return to the Clusters section and click on the Connect button associated with your cluster. Choose Connect your application from the options. In the connection string provided, replace password with the password you just created. Copy the entire connection string for later use. Next, open a terminal or command prompt on your computer. Ensure that you have Node.js installed as it will be used to run the MongoDB driver. If Node.js is not installed, download it from the official Node.js website. Once Node.js is installed, create a new project folder on your machine. Navigate to the folder in your terminal or command prompt. Run the command npm init to initialize a new Node.js project. Now, install the MongoDB driver by running npm install mongodb. Create a new JavaScript file in your project folder. Open the file in your code editor. In the file, begin by requiring the MongoDB client using const mongoclient equals require mongodb. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.